How to use WGSN Worth Global Style Network Fashion Platform. WGSN is the leading global trend forecasting company, creating reports and insights to indicators of change to understand what future consumers will think, feel, behave, spend their money on, etc. These forecasts are translated into products and services in different industries. The library subscribes to the fashion and beauty forecasts. This video will look at the fashion platform. The beauty and business insights platforms are the subject of other videos. WGSN can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the W tab. WGSN Fashion Platform is accessed by clicking on the Fashion tab at the top left of the screen. You then have the options of fashion design or fashion buying. The library has only bought the fashion design package. On the home page, you can see the latest reports and insights, data insights, and daily emerging trends. Scrolling down the screen, you can see recommended shorts that become tailored to what you view on WGSN and highlighted topics. You can browse the forecasts and trends from the drop-down menus at the top. Under Future Strategies, the macro forecast looks at the challenges and opportunities across 6 areas: society, technology, the environment, politics, industry, and creativity, STEPIC, to identify the business and design strategies for success 2 years in advance. There are also reports on how the STEPIC drivers will apply to the fashion industry. The product forecasts show the future fashion trends in different categories. You can use the filters to hone in on the area that you're looking for. Market allows you to view reports and insights to understand your target market, or you can view the forecast for a particular season. The Research and Create menu allows you to access insights and trend forecasts under topics such as colour, materials and textiles, sourcing, or sustainability. Category gives articles and analysis on different types of fashion, accessories, activewear, footwear, etc. In retail, you can see the reports and news on brands, look at buyers' briefings, or data insights on retail and e-commerce. You can save any of the articles, reports, or insights to your spaces by hovering on the image and clicking on the bookmark area. The reports and insights have a similar layout. There is a Need to Know section with opportunities and strategies. These ideas are expanded and explained with accompanying data. At the end, there is usually links to further research. You can navigate the report using the table of contents. You can save the report to your spaces, either in an existing folder or create a new one. You can download a PDF of the report to your device. In catwalks, you can find the catwalk images from every major catwalk show. You can search the catwalk images, or if you click on the Images tab, you can use the filters available. You also have access to a range of other image libraries. The Design Resources gives access to tools to help design your fashion range with ready-to-use CAD designs, colour palettes, and copyright-free artwork. You can use the search box to search for content. Type your search term in the box and either choose one of the options that appears or click on the magnifying glass. You can choose whether you see reports, stories from the daily feed, or images. Spaces can be accessed at the top right of the screen. You can see the folders you've created. If you click on the 3 dots, you can share the folder with someone else in Belfast Met, or download the folder to your device. There is an option to translate the WGSN website into a number of languages. Click on the EN at the top right of the screen and choose the language required.